going to be making use of cucumber. Now cucumber contains a lot of nutrients plus lactic acid that helps to shrink, that helps to remove wrinkles and shrink large and open pores, and also remove fine lines. So it's going to be very beneficial and helpful in removing under eye darkness and under eye bag. Okay, so we're gonna be needing this a whole lot. All right, so how we're gonna do this is, first we're going to cut a little piece. We're gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be cutting another piece so we can actually use that to cover the eye, okay, with it. So this piece, I'm gonna be keeping that aside. For this one, we're gonna be needing the juice, so I'm gonna be creating it, and so I can get the juice. Although there's enough juice in cucumber, so I'm not gonna be creating too much of it. Alright, so we're gonna be needing the juice, and I'm not gonna be needing too much of juice, just this little is okay. And then the next one we're going to be needing is going to be yogurt. Now yogurt is great for the skin because of the lactic acid. It increases the skin elasticity, therefore removing wrinkles and fine lines, and removing age spots, and also getting rid of pigmentations and age related problems. So it's going to be helpful in removing under eye bag and darkness. Now we're going to be needing the yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt is perfect. Going to be making use of green tea. Green tea is a remedy for darkness on the skin, dark patches and pigmentation, so it's going to be helpful for that. And we're going to be needing the green tea content to remove the soreness at the eye area. And for the green tea, we're just going to be putting the green tea bag into this. And that is gonna be okay. Then we're gonna be needing this too. And then the next one and the last is gonna be aloe vera. Aloe vera is one natural remedy that works so much for the skin. It's a great moisturizer, it's a therapy for sunburn, and it's great for dry and irritated skin. So we're gonna be needing this a whole lot for under eye bag and darkness, and it's going to be very beneficial for that, because it's going to help us in removing the eye bag and the darkness around the eye. Okay, and now to put in the aloe vera, half tablespoon of that would be perfect. You can actually use fresh aloe vera if you can lay your hand on any. Okay, after that is done, then we're going to mix it and stir the whole ingredient together. And this is what we're going to be needing. Okay, so for this, guys, you can actually use it every morning for the space of few days, and your under eye soreness and darkness is going to get reduced. And also we're going to be making use of this, so let's go apply this. Alright, so the first one we're going to be using is the cucumber. So you're just going to take the cucumber and then you're going to apply it onto your eyes like that. Okay, and this is gonna be really chilling. Okay, so you're gonna hold this for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it stay there and just chill your eyes, and you know, get rid of the wrinkles around there. Okay, you're gonna cut it in smaller pieces so it can stay. Very tiny and very slim pieces. Okay, all right, so after that, then you can get rid of it. Then the next one you're going to do is to use the green tea bag, and then you apply it there. Okay, you can use 2, but I'm gonna apply it on your eye. All right, and let it sit there for another 1 minute or 30 seconds. It's just gonna help you to remove all of the wrinkles there and the darkness. Okay, so after that is done, then you can now use the treatments that are prepared. Okay, now this is going to help you to remove any darkness around your eye and any blackness. Okay, so you spread this around your eye and under your eye area. Like that. Make sure it is spread very well. It's gonna be really chilling, and trust me, all of the darkness around that side will be gone. Okay, so you do the same thing the second eye. Okay, apply it, you know, and when you do this, apply this for a few days, all of those darkness and those solowness is gonna be gone. And you know one thing about this eye bag and eye darkness, it is gonna make you look older than your age. Okay, it's gonna make you look really old. Okay, so after you've done this, then you can allow it to sit for some minutes, and after that is done, then you can go wash it off and repeat that as often as you can. If you can do that every day, and the darkness around all of those places will be gone, and your eye is going to be glowing beautiful. Now I recommend you don't wash this off with a soap, just wash it off with just normal water. Okay, now when you're done washing it off, then you can take your bath, and then you're gonna see a lot of improvements. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and please share the video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, stay beautiful. Bye.